I guess you don't care. Because if nobody touched him, that's still live ball. Like he's.
Do you mind? Ow!
Rakshasa, she was sitting there first. She was in the bed first. Stop throwing a fit. God, yeah.
Oh, hey, this meeting could have been an email move. She's out.
He's facing me now. Oh my God, look at that little sweetie pie. Now I gotta go on to Manitoba Birding and find out if it's...
อีกหนึ่งลมหายใจค่ะบิดยืดคลายให้สบายแล้วคืนตัวกลับมานะคะวางมือกลับลงมาดันตัวเยอะขึ้นค่ะไปสิครับไป
Even when just playing around, someone still exudes such big bully energy. Real talent. If you want your cat to listen, just activate their inner copycat passion.
Even a raccoon knows how to save energy by outsourcing walking to humans.
Boys.
Stop. Mother.
Only these fellas can glare at others, not others because it'll end up like this.
Sluta! So Jeff loves straws. You're back! Jeff! Jeff!
Thank you, so nice.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Listen here, you mother freaking cat. You back up.
Turtles may be slow, but she refuses to be excluded from any family activity.
Was that necessary? Yep, I did catch you. I did.
When the turtle wanted the girl to put the phone down and enjoy the real moment.
Are you trying to steal my human's attention? Take this! Buddy's like, I've watched you do this so much that I already know your next move.
Scratch, Mom. Scratch. Scratch.
That dude's nap wouldn't be nearly this peaceful if it wasn't for the camera.
Sure, she will solve and understand. She just needs little tuna. What a dick.
One wink for, I like this, the other wink for, keep going. What did Doggo have to go through with that innocent-looking furball, huh? When hair and cleaning are in the same place, don't ask why these guys show up.
What is that? Hey, baby. Oh my god, he's watching me. He's looking at me.
Carl!
So, owners' habits and personality have a huge impact on their cat. Like owner, like cat, after all. When it comes to begging for food, it's basically cat's instinct and unconditioned reflex. Cats will treat you exactly how you treat them, so playing with a baby is a perfect match. One more tilt and they might pick up a radio station. Being friendly has its limits, cause even a savannah will throw paws today. Top of the head is cat's sensitive spot, but someone just doesn't care. This fella's stare could easily compete with any dog for the most trusted guard title.
Let's talk it out. Let's talk it out, bro.
They're my girl. Yeah, they're my girl. Ready for some snacks? Huh? You ready for some snacks?
Elephant decided the fastest way to help was by removing human from the workplace. One tiny kiss, and the cat treated it like treasure that needed to be preserved forever.
Hope these owls made your day. Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Eight. Eight. Is that a video? Is that a video?
Oh, you so scary.
Oh, you're scary.
Oh, you very scary. It's a cute picture, see?
Sigge mys. Eller hur Sigge? Ja. Puss på det. Åh, puss. Åh, får pussar också. Oj, oj, oj. Mm.
Remember, if it's friend-shaped in the wild, it's definitely not your friend.
Our trained owls often seek the highest point available to feel secure. POV, I learned to accept life without peace since the day I adopted a real-life gangster.
Buddies took a second chance and became the subject of our next investigation. Stay tuned for only murderers in the building coming.
That's enough.
Looks like bro's just using imitation as an excuse to flex your flexible neck.
Yes.
Dribbling. Yes, and the dribbling.
1, 2, 3, go.
Most pets hug you, but an owl gives you a full neck swivel of affection.
Hey, it's okay.
Odd friendship energy. One climbs, the other provides emotional support through chaos.
Oh, big scratches.
Não, o jogador meteu a bola lá na gaveta, lá onde a coruja dorme. Ah, ela aí, ó.
Julian, why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice!
Seal is a professional diver hat tester with zero need for permission. Congratulations, he's officially been upgraded to Seagull Airport.
You walked into the wrong neighborhood. Talk to the parliament. Eating all that delicious food right in front of me without even offering. Typical who man?
Oh my, did you miss some affection? Oh, baby girl. You feeling a little bit insecure because we've got a cute little baby now? Hey?
A great marriage isn't static, it explores. It says yes to the next trip, the next challenge, the next version of each other. Matt and Haley have always...
Maybe a lack of height is legally blocking this furry engineer from doing his job.
বিকুধৰ 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 এয়া হ'ল নতুন বিকুধৰ আৰু বিকুধৰ ভয় খালে তাৰ বাইক
all the way in.
Better than Amazon Prime delivery. Silent, precise, and significantly cuter.
Can I take a friend of it, you know?
Trying to check on the babies. And you're being mean to me.
Yeah.
Marco! Marco!
Chiamiamo Marco, Marco!
Marco! Chiama Marco! Are you a stinker?
This is exactly the vibe of children, waiting forever for their favorite treat.
Let go! This is the shit I'm talking about! Let go! I can kick you. Stop it!
when the local wildlife decides to take the express bus.
So this is how a cold and controlling guy tries to save a relationship, huh?
Oh.
Oh, he hurt.
You slapped me.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little...
My feet, everywhere I look, it's always them. Clips of them playing.
I sit on the couch too.
Okay.
Give me my... What do you do? Give me the bucket. You look behind you.
Good morning, sunshine. It is me. Having cup on the TV.
Мои цветочки, мои. Серьезно?
No rules, just vibes. That's how friendship survives. Thanks for watching.
No wonder owls are called the cats of the air.
Get her shirt, get her shirt. Oh. Oh, oh. That's not funny, that's terrifying.
Hello? Hi. Hello? I love you.
Clearly, he thinks your grammar is horrible. Give him the pen.
Come on, be a good boy. Don't you dare bite my leg. Stop it.
If I don't move, the pigeon doesn't exist. The luxury version of a natural nest. Welcome to where fur meets funny. Today, we're diving into the absolute best owl fails and adorable moments.
The cows soared the toy car and formed a slow-moving investigation committee.
Oh my god, this is happening right now? Hi.
He looks like he just got caught raiding the fridge at 3 a.m.
Is your wing okay, bub? Are you okay?
Someone knows classical melodies melt their stress away and decided to create it themselves.
Зора, так нечестно.
Это ты так думаешь?
Зорушка.
Ну ты отпустил чемодан! Ну ты отпустил чемодан!
Вот так. Опа. Ты слышишь?
How can someone invade my territory and still act this innocent? So annoying. Folks, the owl can rotate about 270 degrees, not a full 360.
โอ้ยดูมันสิ
บิดคอจะหักอยู่แล้วทำนี้ดิลูก
เฮ้ยเราเป็นดารานะทุเรียน
กลัวคอหัก
ทุเรียนเธอทำอะไรน่ะ เดี๋ยวไงกลับมา
It's great to see a rescue setup where they can recover safely.
That's my ear. Weirdo.
Buddy is actually practicing classic predatory moves on his own kind.
Bowen.
Not Buddy's trying hard to make a huge impression on his crush.
هذيك انت صايب بيها عجن بحالك هات شتي بحالك بغج يلا ورينا خدمتك ماشي هكاك بتفارق ماشي
오야 그거 우리가
Are we friends today, Kath? No, we are not friends today. I am nothing but nice to you. Why do you hate me?
Jacarezinho. Eu vou pegar.
Hey, Winston. What does an owl call its beak? Who knows? Who knows? Oh, come on.
You have impressive agility and fearsome speed. Yes, but this thing isn't designed for you. Copying good habits is fine, but now you don't want to end up wearing glasses together, okay? Wanna babysit? Then having climbing skills to match the kids like this furball is a huge plus.
Bro entered the forest as a hunter and immediately became the prey.
Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Hi, Abigail. Hi. Why do you hate me so much?
This is definitely how they bond to convince the dads, who never wanted cats at first.
The hippo distribution system's getting way too out of hand.
That's going a bit far.
I promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
You think friendship follows logic? These human-animal duos are here to prove it runs on pure vibes.
Я обрадовался тут, чтобы хоть как-то прокачать свой, как говорится, в тренерской тусовке скилл. Самому упорному выигрывать свою команду.
No, she was just marking where she wanted you to stay back.
She tried to hit me. If I wouldn't have moved, she would have hit me.
Owl stuck in the netting that I have to get out. Ay, ay, ay. This is crazy.
We found out this is a screech owl, and we also just heard it make a noise, so it looks like it's feeling better.
That's not an owl, that's a sentient toasted marshmallow expanding in the heat.
No, she's not. No, buddy, it's okay.
These guys are literal copy and paste geniuses. See you next time.
Yeah, look how he's sitting. Just sprawled out, legs. What the hell? What is this? Like watching TV. Like, what is this?
This little one was definitely born with the vibe of a natural-born predator. A feathered security guard who judges everyone entering the room. Someone's not trying to steal the spotlight, just a diva behavior harmonizing with Human. Wow, this feels amazing. Wait, keep going. There you go, don't make me remind you again. Bet this kiddo has no idea about this, but he just gotta look like his Who-Man. Trust me, not everyone can look this cute at that angle.
Arturo.
So oh.
Wow, what you're watching looks pretty interesting, huh? I want to watch too. Not that great.
Yeah. Nope.
Ruby, what do you have underneath there? What is under there, Ruby? Let's see. Lift up your skirt. Lift it up.
Their mission in life is to ensure that everything around is completely out of order.
Oh, heads up! Oh my god!
Real gangster in a tiny fluffy body. See you soon!
Vamos provar o castelo. Quanto para a gente namorar? Olha eles. Mano, durou nem 10 segundos.
I want to see the face. Oh, Lord Jesus. Hi, beautiful.
Скажи, где рука? Руки нет. Нет. Смотри, нет руки.
Why was that?